Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to install n8n in Docker Desktop step by step without using any commands. First, make sure Docker Desktop is already installed and running on your computer. If Docker isn't running, launch it and wait until the status shows that it's ready. Now click on the Search tab inside Docker Desktop. In the search bar, type n8neo/n8n and press Enter. From the search results, select the official n8neo/n8n image. You can verify it's the official one by checking the image name. Next, click the Pull button. Docker will start downloading the latest n8n image. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Wait until the download is fully complete. Once the image has been downloaded, click on the Images tab in the left sidebar. We'll now see the n8neo/n8n image in the list. Click the Run button next to the image. New window will appear with the container settings. You can leave most of the settings as they are, but make sure the container name is something easy to recognize, like n8n. Now expand the optional settings section. Under ports, make sure the container port 5678 is mapped to the host port 5678. If it isn't, click Add Port and enter 5678 for both the host port and the container port. Next, scroll down to the Volume section. Click Add Volume. Create a new Docker volume called n8n data. Set the container path to home node n8n. This step is important because it keeps your workflows, credentials, and settings even if you stop or restart the container. After that, review all the settings. Click the Run button. Docker will now create and start the n8n container. Wait a few seconds until the container status changes to running. You can click on the container to view its logs. Once you see that n8n has started successfully, you're ready to use it. Now open your web browser. In the address bar, type http://localhost 5678 and press Enter. The n8n welcome page will appear. Create your owner account by entering your email address, your name, and a secure password. Click Continue to finish the setup. After signing in, you'll be taken to the n8n dashboard where you can start creating workflows, connecting apps, and building automations. Whenever you want to use n8n again, simply open Docker Desktop and make sure your n8n container is running. Then visit http://localhost 5678 in your browser. And that's it. That's how you can install and set up n8n in Docker Desktop without using any command line. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.